A mosquito capable of transmitting the Zika virus has been found in Dane County. UW researchers and area health officials say this is the first documentation of the Asian tiger mosquito in Wisconsin, but say there is no evidence of Zika-infected mosquitoes in the state, and it's unlikely to indicate a higher risk of locally transmitted Zika in Wisconsin. And if you think the mosquitoes are worse this year, the people who handle the surveillance programs agree.
Dave Delosier is on our backyard patio with the mosquitoes, and he joins us with several of them right now. Dave, we know they're out there.
They are. They're behind me. I'm trying to keep an eye on them. You know, Eric and Charlotte, like many things, this year's mosquito situation in Wisconsin is both good and bad. Bad in that what they're finding in the surveillance traps throughout the state is that they have very high numbers of mosquitoes in those traps. But good in that what they're finding in those traps is less likely to carry a disease.
So mosquitoes certainly are out in force.
Ask Tom Richards what he does all day, and you'll hear a word that doesn't normally collide in the same sentence with mosquitoes.
Yeah, I think it's fun.
Fun for Tom is going through tray after tray of mosquitoes, counting and identifying them. Every day, the traps come into the UW entomology labs from counties in southern Wisconsin. Tom's job is to look especially for the types of mosquitoes that carry diseases. This year, what they're seeing and seeing a lot of are floodwater mosquitoes.
I've been doing this the past 2 summers, and it's been by far the most per trap that we've seen.
So many floodwater mosquitoes that even a mathematician would surrender.
There were 2 traps we had to do that for last week, that there were just thousands more than we have time to count right now.
So instead of counting them, they weighed them.
But if there's a silver lining to it, those mosquitoes aren't playing an important role with diseases such as West Nile virus.
And that's the good news. The same heavy rains that created big numbers of floodwater mosquitoes hurt the Culex mosquito that carries West Nile.
One of the reasons for that, it likes to use bodies of water that are more permanent. And in an urban area, that includes rainwater catch basins and our stormwater runoff systems. Well, if you get enough regular rainfall, it actually gets into those and flushes the water out, and those developing larvae get washed away and die.
Now, the low number of Culex mosquitoes that they're seeing in the state right now might help to explain why, at this point, when we're getting into late July, there are no confirmed cases of West Nile virus in Wisconsin from any of the health departments. But that isn't to say that they're not finding those Culex mosquitoes out there. And Eric and Charlotte, that's one more reason why it's important still to wear that mosquito repellent with DEET, and especially so now that they've confirmed that the Asian tiger mosquito has been found in Wisconsin.
I think Charlotte wants a big bowl of those mosquitoes that she can count.
No,
That looks...
I got a mosquito bite right in my back, and that is like, oh, now it's bugging me.
That made her start itching.
There you go.
But he says it's fun. It's important work to keep an eye on those mosquitoes. Dave Delosier on the backyard patio. Dave, thank you.
You bet.